I'm fascinated now. This is the part 2. Travelled another 50 metres and I've come across this. There we are, that was only the warm-up act. This is decidedly fantastic. An array of clothing draped on the clothesline. Mannequins. About 10 of them. In a woodland setting. If I can, with clothing of again this 1970s period. It's rather nice. Vibrant, tie-dyed patterns. Vivid colours. Strange and yet I can't really place my mind about it. It does look decidedly Freudian here. When you see mannequins, I'm beginning to find it slightly disturbing. It's something rather like the Silence of the Lambs. It has that sort of feeling about it. Sort of bit weird. Again, now we're incorporating residential caravans, golfing umbrellas, and we have here an array of jewellery, necklaces. Hey, silly hole, and I live here. Please do not come in. Well, that's fair enough. Each to their own. There we are. An alternative existence. Alternative thinking. As you can when you don't have any debts. Well, I admire all this. And there's a lot of inspiration amongst it. I'll just give you a final walk by. And we'll end up at the penultimate part of the garden setting, which is the clothesline. And that is unusual and invoking in a way. I suppose you could, I don't know, is it inspirational? Not sure, but I do like the clothing and the tie-dye. It is fantastic.